Every year, People magazine rolls out its Sexiest Man Alive issue. My next guest says the sexiest man alive isn't Brad Pitt or Bradley Cooper. She says the title should go to Warren Buffett. Joining me now is Carleton English, Chief Operating Officer and Portfolio Manager for Belus Capital Advisors. Carleton, welcome to the program. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thank you. Excited to be here.
I can't believe I just read that with a straight face. I have to tell you, I had a little bit of fun over here. My editor, Lisa Clark, ended up superimposing Buffett on the cover of a People magazine. Yeah, if we could show that. So we had a little bit a little bit of fun here ourselves. But this is such a clever and fun piece. I mean, Carleton, tell me, why is Warren Buffett an eligible candidate for People magazine's Sexiest Man Alive?
Absolutely. So, I mean, when you think about sexiness, looks and age are really only one factor. It really comes down to power, influence, intelligence. And I mean, who beyond the Oracle of Omaha has all of that? You know, you're looking at a man who has had a very successful investment approach for, let's say, 50, 60 years now. His work in philanthropy with pledging most of his assets away to the Gates Foundation, really encouraging other billionaires to do the same and, you know, to share their wealth or at least invest it in kind of more meaningful ways, I think is definitely very attractive. You know, and then also he talks like a sailor, and who doesn't like that? Or I mean, that certainly isn't attention getting as well. So.
Right. I love the quote you pulled. You said, you can sell it to Berkshire and we'll put it in the Metropolitan Museum. It'll have a wing all by itself. It'll be there forever. Or you can sell it to some porn shop operator and he'll take the painting and he'll make the boobs a little bit bigger and he'll stick it up in the window and some other guy will come along and in a raincoat and he'll buy it. So certainly a man with interesting words, but I'm wondering, aside from these admirable qualities, what's your take on Berkshire Hathaway's B shares here? The stock's trading at all-time highs. Do you think it's still a good bet, given that Berkshire Hathaway has a portfolio of strong brands, companies that are cash cows and can withstand tepid economic environments?
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, when it comes to Berkshire Hathaway, the B shares, I think you're buying Warren Buffett. You're buying that investment philosophy. This isn't the type of stock that you would look to do, you know, kind of quick day trading on or something like that. You're really buying what Warren Buffett stands for, which is a buy and hold mentality.
Well, what happens when Buffett leaves? You know, is it still going to be a good bet then?
So I actually do wonder about that as well, because during the conference this last weekend, you know, his succession plan is something that he has actually joked about, but hasn't really given a clear pathway. And he is 82, Charlie Munger is 89. That is definitely something to be concerned about. But I think he also surrounds himself by, you know, a next generation of younger, like-minded leaders and management teams. So, you know, Berkshire Hathaway without Warren Buffett might not be the same, but I think that, you know, he is paving a good path for similar continuity.
All right, unfortunately, that is all the time we have today, Carleton, but you guys can check out the article on BelusCapitalAdvisors.com. Carleton, thanks so much. Come back and see us soon.
Absolutely. Thank you.